Hey guys, Steve Petrato here from the Blade team, and my good friend Mr. Pete Holy here from the development side of the house. And today we're going to be talking about the 70S, as you can imagine, this new beginner heli from Blade. This will replace kind of the MSR in the lineup, and it really is for you guys that are just wanting to get into helis for a really low price. This gets you off the ground into a safe equipped helicopter that is self-leveling, has a really nice throttle control that's kind of just a little bit of it's a muted throttle control, so you're not either slamming it into the ceiling or dropping it out of the sky. It'll really prevent you from going crazy. It doesn't have altitude hold or anything like that, but a really nice setup there. So Pete, talk about some of the mechanics on here. You've got one with the canopy off.
Yeah.
We've got kind of linear servos, and what else we got?
Yeah, it's a worm drive servo, and you'll see that we internalized all the components where, you know, usually the swash plate is up near the head and the top area here, and all the internalized servo linkages and everything makes it an extremely durable aircraft. Yeah. You're gonna have a hard time breaking the head on this, aside from, you know, stepping on it or something like that.
Right. Yeah. It's super durable. I mean, we've crashed this here in the video a few times. We've purposely crashed it as well as just crashing it in general, and not a single one of these have broken.
Yep.
And we've flown the heck out of them. So flight time, what are we gonna get on flight time?
It's about 4 or 5 minutes. So you know, for an aircraft this size, it's pretty exceptional.
Sure. Yeah.
You know, you can have a decent amount of time, get a couple batteries, and you'll have plenty of fun with it.
Yeah, batteries are obviously you can buy those separately, and it's going to come out of the box ready to go. So you're going to get a battery, you're going to get the USB charger,
yep,
and the radio, the AA's for the radio, and everything you need. You've also got a button on the radio for high rate and low rate.
Yeah.
So that just allows you to just get a little bit more throw.
Exactly. When you get more experience with the helicopter, you can click that rate mode button. It does give it a little bit more of a bank angle and a little bit more responsive characteristics from the transmitter as well.
And so even though everything comes out of the box and you get the radio and everything there, it isn't a bind and fly type of product. So you can't use your Spectrum radio that you've been using. In order for us to hit a certain price point, which by the way, $60 for everything in the box. $60 is super cheap for a heli this durable and this fun and this good for learning how to fly. But again, it's just not a Spectrum radio, but that shouldn't be a big deal. When you're flying indoors, you just grab that radio. It runs on AA's. That radio lasts forever on AA's, and it's just overall a nice setup, even though you don't have Spectrum in it. So yeah, I mean that is the 70S, guys. Look for this very, very soon in your local hobby shops or on horizonhobby.com. Thanks for tuning in.